So what we're looking at here, from this tree that they're facing up to the bamboo tree and over there, about 2,500 square meter plot here in Barangay Sibugay, Pungol, Barangay Sibugay. This one is for sale. But as of the moment, the people are passing through the middle as a pathway. But they are selling this at 1,000,000 pesos for 2,500 square meter. And it's titled. I've seen the title. I have checked on this because Willie asked me, because Willie was Willie was asked by the person that owned this land to sell it for him. So that 1,000,000 pesos, it's still negotiable, I believe. So, but that's what Willie was told to sell it for. But looking at this right now, that it is sloping. Paana din siya? Ang 2,500 square meter is sloping. That bamboo that you're looking on the bottom, it's still included. It passed through the mulabi tree. The mulabi tree is the, and going straight there, that coconut still included, and over there as we go forward. So 2,500 square meter plot at 1,000,000 pesos. And the contact person will be Farmer Willie. So I will assure you that this land is titled, so there is no problem with the paperwork. And I believe that if you pay for this, you still can negotiate if you're interested about a farm here in the middle of nowhere. You gotta remember, what you see is what you get. So it's a sloping part of land. Not really that slow, very steep slope. And overlooking the view all around, surrounded by the mountains. Look at the view that you have here. If you put your house here, this is the view of the sloping land. Again, I cannot assure you that the transport is the hard thing, but this is the counselor here. So there will be there is now a proposed barangay road that will be built here just past this land. So there will be vehicular, makasod na mga vehicle di gyapon walking ra. So where the chapel there that we pass by, so with vehicular access, so that will open up the farms around here that they are struggling to sell, because as of the moment it's only a walking access. But next year they will be starting to build the barangay road coming up here just past this land of 2,500 square meter. Then they will be able to sell their plots for sale. This is one of the rare one that they have a title on this land, 2,500 square meter open flat land. Open plot farm. So it's not flat, it's sloping, gradual slope. This is what you see right to the bamboo tree. Pass by the bamboo tree, you can see a mulabi tree. That's the boundary. And right over here, that will be the other one. Up to the star apple is the next boundary. So straight on there. So we are facing like this. So that shed that you see there is included with the land. 2,500 square meter, 1,000,000 pesos. But you can just still negotiate it. But it's Willie is the contact person of the people that's selling this, the husband and wife. And I can assure you it's titled. I've checked on the title because Farmer Willie asked me to. And here, as of the moment, we're passing through the land. So with the barangay road access right beside the boundary of this land for sale, 2,500 square meter at 1,000,000 pesos, you can create your own land towards your place, our road. accessing through the barangay road that they are now, because the one that's with us is the barangay councilor of this place. So where we are walking now, even that one are still included in the 2,500 square meter, and we are turning around. So agay sus tepate babi kay una na slide na sad go. That's the boundary. This mango tree is included. This is very slippery over here, so you have to bear with me. So that kaning tulo. So you can see this tree, 4 mango trees, 1, 2, and 3. The old mango trees are included with a 2,500 square meter plot. Like I said, it's not even that high. That's that tree that you see there. That's the boundary end. And it's a gradual slope. You can put a house here. It's a gradual slope, including all these 4 mango trees. And they have found a water supply in the area. So they found a water source on this one if you're gonna build a farm. Napatay ko tato sang. So ako pakita upat 4 mango trees, 1 bamboo tree, and a few other fruit trees is included with the land. It's not really that steep slope, it's a gradual slope. If you look at that banana tree, you got straight there, and then straight to that coconut tree on the bottom. Then so this mango trees, 4 of them, and the bamboo is included. Now we look at it on this side. It's quite a very nice plot because this is the view that you have. But as of the moment, the access is through walking. Nya ang kasada asada pita tayo. So the barangay road that can be accessed with vehicles will be on the top. You can put a connection towards your place. So there on the top of that, behind this plot, that will be the barangay road. So that means progress is coming here, not just the access is walking soon. So that's the land.
Unsa? Marami nag Portes?
Portes dito usa to Bible.
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 Bible.